Just a quick elevator ride from the JetBlue baggage claim area at JFK Airport will transport you to the classic aviation of the 1960s. Located at the John F. Kennedy International Airport in Queens, New York, the TWA Hotel is a blast from the past. Opened in May of 2019, the hotel uses the old TWA terminal, which was designed by Eero Saarinen and was built back in the 1960s. Be sure to check out the split-flap departure board, which is original to the building and was restored as part of the hotel project. Check in the arrivals hall, where guests once checked in for their flights. If your room isn't ready, your baggage can be held, which will allow you to explore the hotel and its many aviation-themed exhibits. The hotel features over 500 rooms in 2 wings, and the TWA Hotel is the only operating hotel located within JFK Airport. Book a room with a runway view or with a historic TWA view that overlooks the iconic TWA Flight Center. But don't worry, blackout curtains and soundproof windows will ensure that you get a solid night's sleep, free of distraction from plane noise. Details like rotary phones, classic TWA posters, walnut tambour walls, and terrazzo floors are evocative of the 1960s. Rooms can be booked overnight or in 4-hour increments during the day to accommodate late-night flights. Overnight stays can check in early or check out late for an additional fee. The hotel features a TWA Aviation History Museum, which includes a display of TWA uniforms throughout the years. Sit behind the desk of TWA's eccentric owner, Howard Hughes, in one of the aviation history exhibits curated by the New York Historical Society. Or step back in time to the 1960s in an authentic recreation of a 1962 living room. You can even get your shoes shined and take a photo in a classic photo booth. Have a cocktail in Connie, a 1958 Lockheed Constellation plane turned cocktail bar where drinks feature fun aviation-themed names like Vodka is My Co-Pilot, 22 Right, and Control Tower Sour. There's a heated rooftop pool that overlooks JFK's busiest runway, a gym, and food offerings that include the Jean Georges Paris Cafe. There's also a 24-hour grab-and-go food hall. While the hotel does not feature a spa or salon, you can visit the Sweet and Glow Salon, an iconic 1960s salon exhibit with a sweet and low theme. Although Manhattan is accessible by subway from the TWA Hotel, I only recommend staying here while you're transiting through JFK Airport due to the distance.